For today's video, I'll be showing you how to solve the problem we couldn't find a fingerprint scanner compatible on your Windows 10 or 11. Without further ado, let's start this. First method, click on the search icon below, and then type Services on the search bar. Now click Run as Administrator. In here, navigate to the Windows Biometrics service and right-click on it. Choose Properties in the pop-up menu. Beside a startup type, choose Automatic, and then click on the Start button. After that, click on the Apply, and then OK. If this method doesn't fix the problem, then let's proceed to the second one. Right-click on the Windows logo below, and choose Device Manager. In here, expand the Biometrics devices, and right-click on the Facial Recognition, Windows Hello Software Device. Now simply update the driver. After doing so, check if there is a window update available on your computer, and go ahead and update it if there's one. Now, that should be able to fix the problem, but let's have it to the third method. Right-click on the Windows logo below, and then choose Run. In here, type this command, then select OK. Now here, expand a folder named Administrative Template, then expand again a folder named Windows Components, and next, click the folder named Biometrics. On the right side, right-click on the Allow Users to log in using Biometrics, and click Edit. Then simply click on the Enable, and click Apply below to save the changes. Now do the steps on the other two allows. After that, you can see that under it, it should say Enabled. Now restart your computer and see if this works, and that's simply it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.